In the calm blue waters near Oman, a group of Filipino sailors aboard this cargo ship became unexpected eyewitnesses to raw military power. One by one, U.S. Tomahawk cruise missiles streak past at high speed, whirring low over the waves. That's the third one crew member shouts, counting up to 13 as the missiles thunder by. This intense, unconfirmed footage captures a real-time glimpse of escalating geopolitical tensions, where the open ocean turns into a front-row seat for global power moves.
Panglima na! Ayan, yan! Again! Pang-anim! Ayan pa! Pang-pito! Pang-pito na yun! Ayan pa, ayan pa! Sobrang bilis! Hindi makuha sa kamera! Pangilan na yun, Dong! Pangilan na yun! Ayan! Oh, one more! Pang-walo na yun! Uy, ano pa? Pang-siyam na! Wala na! Yawa niya eh! Ayan pa Dong! Ayan pa! Wala na! Aksuga, uy! Ang ilan na yan, Dong?